Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that a Hitch cargo carrier can instantly double your car's storage without the hassle of a roof rack or trailer? That's right. If you love road trips, camping adventures, or hauling bulky gear, choosing the right carrier can completely transform your travel game. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out as we dive into the top Hitch cargo carriers you can get on Amazon. Let's kick things off. Number 6. CURT 1815360 by 24-inch basket hitch cargo carrier. The CURT 18153 is a powerhouse for anyone who needs serious extra cargo space, boasting a 500-pound capacity on a heavy-duty tubular steel frame finished with durable black powder coat, which gives it a rugged look and long-lasting protection. The 60 by 24-inch platform with 6-inch side rails keeps everything secure, and the folding 2-inch shank is a standout feature, offering better ground clearance and the ability to tilt the carrier up when not in use. Perfect for storage or tight parking. Real-life users rave about fitting generators, coolers, suitcases, and even propane tanks without a hitch. And compared to a competitor like the MaxxHaul 70108, CURT's superior tubular steel and angled shank offer an edge in durability and convenience. Of course, it's not perfect. Weighing around 70 pounds, it can be tricky to handle alone, and its protrusion may make urban driving or backing up a bit cumbersome. But if you need a heavy-duty solution for regular long trips or camping adventures, the CURT 18153 is tough, reliable, and built to last. What do you think about this one? Let me know in the comments. Number 5. Wildroad 500-pound Hitch Cargo Carrier Set. The Wildroad 500-pound carrier brings a slightly different twist with its 60 by 24 by 14-inch frame and tall fence, which helps keep heavy or tall items safe during transit. Its tubular steel construction is solid, and it ships as a full kit with a waterproof cargo bag, cargo net, straps, and dual tighteners, meaning you're ready to hit the road without hunting for accessories. Compared to the CURT 18153, Wildroad's kit adds weather protection and tie-down versatility, but some users note minor quality control issues like bent hitch tongues or weld weaknesses. The slightly angled mount improves ground clearance, reducing scraping on bumps, and the foldable design makes storage easier. On the downside, this full-featured setup increases weight and rear overhang, which may challenge installation and parking in tight spaces. Overall, Wildroad stands out for convenience and weatherproofing, making it ideal for campers or travelers who need a complete cargo solution. Number 4. KAIRAY 500 pounds heavy-duty hitch mount cargo carrier. KAIRAY takes it a step further with a 60 by 24 by 14.4-inch platform built from heavy-duty steel and a matte black powder coat finish that resists rust and scratches. What really sets it apart is the comprehensive accessory set: waterproof bag, cargo net, ratchet straps, reflectors, stabilizer, and a lock. This makes KAIRAY a ready-to-go option compared with simpler carriers like CURT or Wildroad, where extras might need to be purchased separately. Users report easy mounting, secure handling of heavy loads, and the folding design reduces overhang when not in use. Compared to Wildroad, KAIRAY's accessories and slightly higher side rails offer added security for bulky items. Some downsides include the heavier weight and the need for proper installation tools. But for frequent travelers or families hauling gear regularly, KAIRAY strikes a perfect balance between capacity, durability, and convenience. Number 3. VEVOR 60 by 24 by 6 folding hitch carrier. The VEVOR carrier is designed with a 60 by 24-inch platform, Q235B steel frame, and 500-pound capacity, offering a strong, weather-resistant option for trucks, SUVs, or pickups. What makes it competitive is the included package: waterproof bag, cargo net, ratchet straps, coated lock, and stabilizer bracket to minimize rattle. Compared with KAIRAY and Wildroad, VEVOR emphasizes stability on rough roads and protection from rain, snow, or dust. While assembly instructions are minimal and tools may be required, users praise its sturdy performance for heavy loads. For those looking for value and reliability without investing in a larger, more expensive carrier, VEVOR is a solid, ready-to-use choice that balances price, features, and practical usability. Number 2. OKLEAD 500 pounds Heavy-Duty Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier. OKLEAD offers a 60 by 24 by 14.4-inch platform with 500-pound capacity, tubular steel construction, and matte black powder coating for long-term durability. Its mesh base and 14.4-inch side rails prevent items from sliding or falling through, while the foldable design reduces rear overhang when not in use. Compared with VEVOR, OKLEAD provides taller side rails and a slightly more substantial build, though its weight of around 64 pounds can make handling alone challenging. Safety reflectors are a nice touch, enhancing visibility during night travel. Ideal for families, campers, or frequent travelers, OKLEAD delivers strong performance, practicality, and dependable weather resistance, though occasional users may find it less convenient for light use. Number 1. WEIZE Folding Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier Basket. Topping the list, the WEIZE Folding Hitch Carrier combines a 60 by 20 by 6-inch steel frame with a 500-pound capacity in a rust-resistant black epoxy/powder coat finish. Its folding 2-inch shank makes parking and storage simpler, while the included waterproof bag, cargo net, and tie-down straps provide everything you need in one package. Compared with competitors like OKLEAD, VEVOR, or CURT, WEIZE hits the sweet spot in simplicity, convenience, and all-in-one value. Some users mention assembly can be fiddly, and the 6-inch side rails may not secure extremely tall items. But for road trippers, campers, or small families needing reliable extra cargo space, without investing in a trailer or rooftop rack, it's an excellent choice. So there you have it, the top hitch cargo carriers on Amazon compared and explained. From heavy-duty workhorses to complete accessory kits that simplify travel. Which one would you pick for your next adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if this helped you, and make sure to subscribe for more gear guides. All the links are in the description, so check them out and start maximizing your cargo space today.